Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartView. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account step by step on your phone. Whether you're setting up a new account for work, school, or personal use, this guide is super easy to follow. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on Create Account and choose For Myself or For My Business, depending on your need. Next, enter your first and last name. Then tap Next. Now, add your birth date and gender, but you can choose Rather Not Say for gender if you prefer. Now, you can either choose one of the suggested Gmail addresses or create your own. If your preferred email is taken, try adding numbers or symbols to make it unique. Time to set a password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Google will ask if you want to add a phone number for account recovery. This step is optional, but I recommend adding it so you can recover your account if you ever forget your password. Finally, review Google's privacy and terms, then tap I agree. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Gmail account on your phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.